Texas Tornado Tag Street Fight that's about to come up.
And now, coming to the ring, being accompanied by George Marshall, the team of NXZN, Dr. Hilary P. Wisdom. They are the team of Marshall.
Take out the good is to do the good. Rob Fury and Bonifer about to find that out.
Oh, the unbreakable Rob Fury is not the person you want to be standing across the ring from. I know.
Yeah, it's a tornado tag match. Already looks like a tornado hit the ring through the ropes.
You know, you might. I mean, if Bonifer ready to fight, well, I mean, he's always ready to fight.
He's a doctor like a tornado.
Yeah, Texas Tornado like the late great Terry Funk.
Rob Fury just threw NXZN in the post. People from each team are getting their licks in. Bonifer hit over the head.
Well, it just isn't supposed to go. Oh, I have a feeling.
I'm using your logic.
Oh, that's right. That's right, Doc. Go right after his back. That neck.
I was going to say, it's only cheating if you got caught, but there's no such thing as cheating in this match.
Go after Rob Fury. What do? The neck, the back. You know, surgically repaired that elbow.
My neck,
you know,
my back.
Yeah. That you just grossed me out, really, because now I'm having really bad visions. Oh, he's had those elbow problems lately, but he wears an elbow pad. That's saying, hey, look, go after my elbow.
That's ruthless.
Oh, that shot to the back. That was ruthless. What the hell are you bleeding for?
It's possible.
Oh,
Now, members of only one team are getting their asses kicked. Before it was one member of one team.
and on the other.
Charlie Bonifer just stood there and blocked that sign.
Know the good is to do the good.
That's absolutely right. To know the good is to do the
I mean, I haven't even seen a doctor. Do doctors still dress like that in this century?
It's a street fight. What do you want him to dress
He
like?
dresses like that always. I don't know what's going on.
I'm going to stand up and see if I can get a better look.
Way of, oh boy.
They better not come over here. Right after Fury.
Oh, and right next to us. Oh, that looked nasty.
Oh, God. You see this?
Oh, God.
You see this? He's garbage.
Oh, my
He's a
goodness.
deviant. He's
Oh,
an
my
idiot.
No,
friend,
oh, he's
my-
calling him garbage. Wait a minute. Oh,
Think of any other comment.
you can't ever think of a nice thing to say about him.
Nope. What do you mean? Dr. Hilary is a real doctor. I've seen his doctorate.
You've seen it?
Yes.
He showed you it?
Yes.
Was it in a Cracker Jack box?
No, it was not.
People are like, where are they? I swear, looks like
I hope he doesn't go in there with that stupid face.
it's energy. You can get good energy.
Oh, and he missed. Oh, Bonifer with that kick. On that Insiguri. Oh, that's right. By the book.
Hooking the leg. This might be it. And it is.
The match, the Marshall.
It's not the first time Rob Fury got hit with the book, but this isn't traffic court.